Hello my lovely friends, welcome back. We're going to be doing a full moon clearing for the Friday the 15th of November 2024, and it's a full moon in Taurus and it's a beaver moon. Not saying a word. Right, make sure you're 100% open to receiving healing, and let's get started. Right, so let's celebrate beavers everywhere. My wicked sense of humour. Right, where are we going? Let's have a look and see where we are. So we're doing a little bit of a tidy up as usual. So what's it running at? 40% positive, 60% negatives. That's not so bad, isn't it, for a change? We're still at incarnational level though, so still rock bottom in terms of consciousness. I'm just going to ask your teams, your high self teams that we're working with, as we do this tidy up, to clear away whatever needs to be cleared from you, raising up to 100 positive, down to 0 negative, up to radiant love, new paradigm level of consciousness. Thank you. I hope you're all keeping well. So this is a full moon in Taurus, 15th of November. I won't go into the astrology about it because there's plenty of astrologers out there, but we're going to do a little tidy up, like a defragmentation of your organic hard drive, if you like, just a tidy up of your energy. Like an attunement, really. Okay, right, so where are we going first? 8A, which is inner archetypes. Again, this is just this is like a mini clearing. So the maternal inner archetype is out of balance. Let me just check that one. Inside? No, it's the mystic. The mystic is also out of balance. Okay, are they being blocked by the individuals? They are. Let's clear all blocks to the maternal and the mystic inner archetypes from each and every one of you, if appropriate, and bring those back into balance. There we go. Chart 14. Conscious mind programs type 2. So let's clear those away. There is an explanation about those in my book, but I haven't got my book to hand, so I'm ever so sorry. Not without knocking the camera over and everything else and leaning over. I should have got them out earlier. My apologies. Okay, that's done. And the next one, chart 23, spiritual realms programs. Oh, what have we got there? Looks like alternate life paths, inside, outside. Alternate life paths and root causes. Okay, anything else? Let's just clear those away then. We don't need to know how many or do any investigation on those. Your teams will do that for you in this instance. So let's just clear those away. Alternate life paths and root causes. Nice to see some different things coming up in the group clearings. And just a reminder to anybody watching this that's thinking about having buying a package over Christmas, please do buy a package over Christmas, but I'm not going to be here until early January, so the 7 to 10 days rule that I normally have, working days for me to do your clearing, is going to be a little bit extended over the festive period. So I am on holiday from the 20th of December until I think it's the 5th of January. I'm having a couple of weeks off this time. I don't think I've ever taken 2 weeks off in my business, but I've only had 1 week off all year, so I just feel like I need a rest. So if you need any clearings done before then, I would suggest you buy the package sooner rather than later, and then we can get started before the Christmas break. I will record the group clearings though in advance, so you're not missing out on anything, to support you all. Right, so 29 or 30, let's have a look. Yeah, it's chart 30. Infinity stream, which we talked about before. Let's clear the infinity stream for you. Okay, that feels nice and light in the energy already. Anything else before mop up? No, we're just going to go and do a quick mop up, very quick mop up for you. Normally the mop up's quite thorough. I have a long list to read, and when you buy a package from me, you get a written report afterwards. It doesn't include all the questions that I ask. It doesn't include all the checklists that I have. It only includes, it looks very methodical the way it's laid out, but the clearings aren't always very methodical. When I do them, sometimes you can be sent all over the place and you ask a lot of questions and everything else, but I try and just share it methodically and what comes up. If there's not much comes out, it doesn't mean to say it isn't a powerful clearing. I had someone comment on this today, one of my clients, because they normally have huge clearings done, and one particular area we cleared on, it was just more like a normal size clearing, not a huge amount came up research wise from me, and that person was disappointed. I said, don't be disappointed, don't have any expectations. The bulk of the clearing is done in the right at the very beginning when high self clears, and at the very end in the mop-up process. That's where most of the clearing is done. So sometimes my research can be detailed and sometimes it isn't hugely detailed, but it's no less powerful. And you do find the more clearings you have, the more clean it is in the energy. It's less, it's like defragmenting the computer drive. It's much more, it's much cleaner. You can just feel it in the energy. It's more straightforward. Whereas some clearings can send you all over the place. You know, it really is like defragmenting your organic hard drive. Is there anything else to clear at all? Can we download anything for people? Yeah, let's download something for you under this full moon in Taurus. What we're going to download to you, outside right, health for some of you, if not all of you. That's all. So let's download health across all of your energy bodies for your highest good, and then we can hopefully wrap this up. Okay, anything else to clear? Anything at all? No. Are we done? And that's 100 positive, 0 negative. Feels loads lighter. And that's Radiant Love New Paradigm. Here we go. That was a lovely clearing. So have a wonderful full moon, and I will see you on the next clearing. And infinite blessings to you as always. Lots and lots of love. Bye, sweets.